Why does your scanner show the P203D engine code? What does it mean? P203D is a diagnostic trouble code for reductant level sensor A circuit high. This code indicates a reductant level sensor A circuit high. It means your vehicle's computer has detected an abnormally high voltage signal from the sensor that monitors the level of diesel exhaust fluid. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Reductant level sensor. Wiring or connector issues. Contaminated fluid. Low DEF level. Defective DEF assembly. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Volkswagen, Mercedes-Benz, and Audi. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.